Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can publish your application to Microsoft Azure App Service. In my previous video I showed how you can create an app service, so please watch that video if you would like to learn that. And as such, I'm going to publish ASP.NET MVC web application. I'm using Visual Studio and this is my application. Now I've just created this application from the starter template, but it can be your existing application that you're working on. And as you can see, it's running at the moment. I just want to make sure that it is running locally before I deploy it to the cloud. It's always good to ensure it's working. Alright, now I will stop this application. I will now publish the application by a right click on the project and then click publish. I've already got this app service. I will create a new profile and I get few options over here. I can deploy it to IIS or an FTP server or import another profile that I will show you how you can use it. But here the first option is Microsoft Azure App Service. Now I can actually create a new app service, but I've already got a service in place. I will just select existing one, and as such my account is already logged in, my Azure account, so I should get all my app services over here under a particular resource group. So as you can see, this is the app service that I'm interested in. I can select this and click OK. Now it will take few minutes and then it will be deployed to the app service. You can always open web publish activity and here you can see the progress. I will be back once this is complete. Okay, so I'm back to the Visual Studio and as you can see, the publish process is now complete. One succeeded, and as soon as it gets complete, Visual Studio opens your site that is hosted on Microsoft Azure, and as you can see, everything is working. The first time you will deploy this application to the cloud, it will take a little bit longer because Visual Studio needs to push all the artifacts to the cloud, and the other changes will be like really quick because Visual Studio knows what are the changes that it needs to push. Okay, so I've got my application running, and say suppose if you're not logged in using your Azure account in Visual Studio, you can still deploy by going to the overview tab of your app service, and the only thing that you need is the publish profile. So you download this profile and as you can see, it has been downloaded. When you come on the publish screen again, you create a new profile instead of choosing this, because for this you need to be signed in so that Visual Studio can actually have access to your Azure App Services. Instead of that, you choose import profile and it will give you a dialog box to actually choose that publish settings. In my case it's under downloads, this is the latest one, and if I select this, so I've showed you both the ways to publish your application. One is to use Microsoft account login so that Visual Studio can help you publishing it, and other one is using the publish profile. I hope this helps you. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you later.